Okay. So.
Yeah, with so many different people and things trying to help Bustamante Children's Hospital, this kind of surprises me.
300 children are on a waiting list for cardiac surgery at Bustamante. And apparently they're going to have to wait at least another 3 months before the first of those surgeries, for the first is done. This was made public on Wednesday at a meeting of the PAAC, that's the Public Administration and Appropriations Committee, where MPs drilled health officials about the availability and the timeliness of critical diagnostic services and other issues in the health sector. 5 years is a long time to wait. Michael Phillips actually lamented the pace of the project, which apparently both successive governments have not, he said, made it a priority. So you have these kids, they're sitting down, cardiac wing at the pediatric hospital. The ground was broken from 2013. And nothing? I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know.
They say 10 months. You have to wait a period of 8 to 10 months for oral surgery, 3 to 6 months for orthopedic elective surgeries, while emergency cases are treated upon arrival, and urgent cases within 1 to 3 months.
For urgent cases.
For an urgent case.
Yeah.
Children have to wait approximately 5 months for pediatric general surgery and 4 months for pediatric urology procedures. And again, you keep hearing that they're doing this for the hospital, doing that for the hospital. So I know we need many, many things, but that surprises me a bit.
Yeah, remember that Buster is one facility. So it's the only one in the region of its kind.
For kids,
so
yeah.
it's oversubscribed. They probably don't have enough staff members. Boy, I don't know. We need to do something to fix health in this country.
Yep.
Honestly.
What's the next one?
Related, still medical, the Nursing School of Jamaica is raising some concerns about what they say is an influx of nursing schools across the island that continue to enroll unwitting students who complete the courses and then find out that they are in fact not registered. The chairman of the council, Dr. Leela Dehaney, says it's now pushing for a review of the Nursing and Midwives Act in order to address the problem. There are only 8, she said, schools of nursing that offer the registered professional nursing program in Jamaica.
But I only see 7 here.
Is that 7? Well, she said there were 8.
Excelsior Community College School of Nursing, Northern Caribbean University, Caribbean School of Nursing, University of Technology, Pepin Campus and the Montego Bay Campus, University of the West Indies School of Nursing at the Mona Campus and the Western Campus, Brownstown Community College School of Nursing, Knox Community College School of Nursing, and Sigma College of Nursing and Applied Sciences. Well, that's 7.
I think the issue, there is, well, she said 8.
Yeah.
I'm not sure if that was her mistake or if there are in fact 8 and one was left off the list. But the issue is that there are significantly more than that. And so it means that a ton of them are not registered. And so you need to be very careful if you're considering nursing. You need to look into the organization that you are.
Does it say how you find out whether they're registered or not?
No, but I think if you call the Council of, the NCJ is what? National Nursing Council of Jamaica.
Yeah.
And they can tell you.
Yeah.
They can tell you because you have to know these things. You imagine you go through the course and when
after all of that, and then them say your degree or your certificate not good.
Okay.
Starbucks
coming to Jamaica.
To do what?
Set up shop. They're saying that as a result, our coffee farmers and the dairy industry will benefit. It's going to be good for both local industries. The company and local licensee Caribbean Coffee Baristas Limited have plans to roll out a further 14 stores in Jamaica by 2020. That's within 2 years. Where are we? Within 3 years.
Yeah.
That's aggressive. If it's good for the industry, then I guess that's good for us. There's been a lot of talk about competition with our own brands and so on and so forth. But
yeah. All right. What's going on with Miss Cleo now? Miss Cleo not around anymore.
She are not, but apparently there's a game show that features a character that resembles her, and so there's a lawsuit that's been filed against Takes-Two Interactive Software and Rockstar Games for the game Grand Theft Auto Vice City. that they say contains a character that's too similar to Miss Cleo for comfort. So they're going to call them now and sue them after, I guess, for unspecified damages. So Miss Cleo, your legacy, boy, your legacy continues to live. Even after you're gone, my darling.
Don't we have
She
one
probably
more?
saw that coming. See what I did there? Saw it coming? See?
Oh.
No, I don't think we have any more.
Oh, I thought we were going there.
So today is the 28th of July.
Yeah.
Neville, I'm sure you have 110 birthdays. So
Well,
let's go.
The first one I have is for tomorrow.
I got you.
It's Novalie Palmer, and she works at Lasco. And the birthday
Oh.
greeting coming from the telesales department, Sasha and Tyra. And this one, the great Everard, you know, say I have to work with I for
Kenny from
this
where
one.
he is.
This one is nice. It's the 46th anniversary. Where's Everard? I can see if I can bring it up. There you go. 46th anniversary to Mr. and Mrs. Kenneth Richards.
Want me to help you?
Please.
And I,
You can
did I
see it?
just recall? Excuse me, pardon,
Yeah.
excuse, and pardon. And pardon and then excuse.
Still, you haven't got
Got
to touch it for bring it up back. Yeah. No, still can't see. 46th anniversary to Mr. and Mrs. Kenneth Richards. Mr. and Mrs. Richards is coming
You
from
have
your
more
kids.
picture on there?
No, just bounce it. Just. Oh.
No, do you
Oh,
need me
yes,
to go
that-
back there to
The picture.
show how anything is?
No, man.
Oh, great.
I saw that. It's coming from your kids, Shireen, Keisha, and Timu. And I quote, "You both are and have been our joy. Couldn't ask for better parents."
Aw.
We love you. So,
That's
Mr. and Mrs. Richards, congrats, sir and ma'am. And we certainly hope that you will have many, many more anniversaries. You have any? Happy birthday,
I'm
folks. Have a great day.
strategizing for the race. So how you want to approach it?
We know the key to unity of all people is in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people. Believe in unity. We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will. Because our hearts tell